how to increase photo quality in mobile. Hey everyone, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. In this video I'll walk you through the entire process. There's really some really great way I found to increase photo quality. This method does not involve like you don't have to use like to increase literally the size, the resolution of your image, because that doesn't work simply as that. I've seen a couple of videos on YouTube and they're telling you that you have to they're telling you, suggesting you to increase the quality, the resolution of your image, and that will solve the problem. Um, but that method will increase image resolution but not the clarity. So I hope this method will help you. So now without further ado, let me show you what you need to do. So head over to your default browser and there search for let's enhance. This is the link, okay, right here. So go to this website and now you need to create an account. I already have an account, I just create an account. It's very easy to create an account and then just drag and drop everything to upload. Just you can drag a video over here if you're using a computer, but I suppose you're using a phone because that's the title of the video. But yeah, you just type on to upload right there and I'll select your image. I'll go with this image, or actually let's use this one. That's very pixelated, looks very bad. Okay, now let's select this image. It's super pixelated. Here we can upscale type. And by the way guys, on this website you can only enhance I think 10 images per day. I'm not sure, you can check it out, but I think few images because this is a free version. And here we have enhance photo, digital art, smart enhance. Excuse me, I'll go with smart enhance, smart resize, and size, auto, light, AI, balance your color. No, I don't need that. Just tab on start processing. So let's see how it goes. Okay, processing will be ready in about few minutes, right? Okay, so guys, let me show you now the result. The result is pretty good. So I just tab now. Okay, this is the result. I just tabbed on download and now I won't download again, but this is the result. I go in gallery and as you can see from this, okay, that's what I'm saying. Upscaling, like increasing the resolution of the image will not increase your clarity, but this software is increasing the resolution but also the clarity. As you can see from this, we start from this, we got to here. But that's very good guys, that's a great solution. I hope this strategy will help you guys. That's what I really hope, because that's my mission, my goal is to help you. So if this video helped you, that'll make me happy, you know. Another website I found is this website, I am Glarger, I think that's how you pronounce. Anyways, but this is the website guys, right here. And now you need to create an account on this website as well. And after you create an account, just select your image. Now let's choose this image. And now here we have the image right here. And we can select from 2 weeks to 4 weeks. So we want even more clarity. And now just tap on this button right here, uploading. So let's see what are the results. And the fun part is, or the good part, you don't have to install any application. But now let's see the results. Okay, that's very good actually. Guys, that's very, very good. I'm telling you. Just look, this is the first one, and I can't even zoom in, and you can see the quality is bad. Actually, I can zoom in if I go to details. Now I can zoom, right? Yeah. As you can see, look the clarity here. Look how bad it is. But now, look at this. This is way better. Tell me if I'm wrong, guys. Tell me if I'm wrong. And also, the other website I showed you, that's very good, guys. So I hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. And yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Please consider subscribe and like for more how-to videos. See you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.